Hey, what's up guys, Afro here. I know I haven't done one of these videos in a while, and this video we will be doing a pack opening. First I'm going to show you my team. As you might see, got 3 leaks, and I have a lot of bronzes and silvers because I took them off to get trophies. We got this big Moments Isaiah Thomas, and today we're going to be doing a pack opening, so hopefully we can get all those up and get more elites. So if we go to the store, there's these packs. So I'm planning on buying 2 of these conference quarterfinal packs, 1 of these NBA playoffs, and like with the extra 100, I don't know. Actually, no. With the last, because I'll just, I don't know. But, okay, let's get into it, guys. Wait, let's see what there's in here. 2 go to elite, better playoff players, 2 go to elite players. So I'm either I can get at most 4 golds, which is good. Or at least 4 golds. So, that's what I need. Right in here, first pack, let's go. Okay. I like this player slogans. Andre Robertson, JJ Redick, Doug McDermott. We got storylines for the good. Okay, that is alright. Update team. I got 1 more, guys. 1 more. Let's go. 1 right here. This is going to be an elite pool. Boom. Dang it. Only got 1 better overall. But I think that will be fine. Okay, now let's open this. 3 gold or better. Come on. Dang it. I got another better overall though. But now I think I have 150 there. I thought so. So let's open a pro pack. You know, that sounds pretty good. And we got 1 sold. I have no idea what that is. Dang it. I got another Paul Pierce. I want to tell you this now. I was going to do a pack opening on my on the Xbox for 2K. And I did it, but the quality was horrible, and I pulled the Diamond Dennis Rodman. So today I'm probably gonna get a Xbox Live card. So I'll probably be doing a My Team Online video like today or tomorrow. Wait. I might be able to get an elite. Just maybe. 1. Are they like all in here now? 3. Okay. I can sell them. Because I don't. Wait, let's look at my team. Oh, this small ball is good. If only I had a good center. Okay, but that's always good. I'll be back. I'm going to put all these on auction. Okay, guys, they finished being sold. I've bought at least 10 pro packs in the span of 2 days, and I got nothing but trash. And we can open 5 right now. See what we can get. Dang it. Nope. Wait. I'll be right back. Sorry, my Wi-Fi went out. Okay, let's get to another one. Elite. Ooh, okay. Cat. That one was good. That card sells for a ton. I can probably put it up for like, oh my. Be right back. Okay, let's see if it's doing really bad right now. So I'm gonna try to go through these quick. Dang it. Okay, last one. Oh. Gabe. Okay, well, it was close to an elite a couple of times. My team. It's getting better. Oh yeah, I got this 87 Westbrook. It's pretty good. Okay guys, I'll be ending this video. Hope you liked it. Subscribe guys. Peace.